This is Joe Hurd Farms 2020 corn harvest. This is their John Deere S770 unloading into a John Deere 8270R with a UNVERFERTH 5255 grain cart. Joe Hurd Farms is based out of Baker County or Newton, Georgia, but they're harvesting this field in Decatur County, Georgia. Today's date is July 17th, 2020. This is the first fields I've seen harvested for corn this year. They've got another John Deere 8295R with a UNVERFERTH 7250 grain cart. It's parked up the hill, waiting on the driver to get back, I think, from lunch. They're just opening this field up. They were harvesting across the road when I first arrived, but they only had maybe about 60 rows left in that field when I got here. This is the first time I've filmed up in this part of the county. This is on the west side of the river, but on the east side of the main highway. I just happened to be going on a parks run yesterday and seen that they were harvesting corn and decided I'd come back today. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and check out some other videos on YouTube under South Georgia Farming.